हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल विंडो टू द डिवाइन। आज हम स्कॉर्पियो की 2026 की एनर्जी प्रेडिक्शंस करेंगे। पूरा वर्षफल होगा। सबसे पहले हम ओरेकल से ब्लूप्रिंट देखते हैं पूरे ईयर का। 2026 में पूरा 2026 आपका ऐसा जाएगा कि कोई एक ऐसा इवेंट है या कोई एक ऐसा सिचुएशन है जिसमें वो फ्रेज़ है ना, टू द बोन्स। आप फील करेंगे एक ऐसा मेजर कंप्लीशन जो आपको इतनी लाइटनेस प्रदान करेगा। टू द ऑन लुकर्स बिल्कुल ऐसा लगेगा लाइक मैजिक, जैसे आपने कुछ किया और अचानक से आपकी ज़िंदगी बदल गई, अचानक से आपकी सिचुएशन बदल गई, या जो भी इशू चल रहा है लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग, जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा परेशान करके रखे हुए है, डीपली इम्पैक्ट करता है, वो रातों रात बदल जाएगी सिचुएशन। बट डीप डाउन ये आपका टाइम है 2026, जिसमें जो आपको रोके रखा हुआ है या उलझाए रखा हुआ है वो चीज़ अपने आप रिजॉल्व होगी। अराउंड मार्च आप ये नोटिस करेंगे कि धीरे धीरे आप में एक लाइटनेस आ रही है। यू आर नॉट बॉदर्ड बाय द सेम थिंग यू यूज टू बी। इट्स लाइक आपका एक इनर गाइड, इनर कंपस एक्टिवेट होता है उस टाइम में। एंड you take only those steps, only those actions जो धीरे धीरे आपको लिबरेट करते हुए आगे ले जाएगा। एंड दैट्स वाई टू द ऑनलुकर्स इट लुक्स लाइक मैजिक, क्योंकि स्कॉर्पियो जितना आप लोगों के लिए मिस्टीरियस और मिस्ट्री हैं, उतना ही आपके लिए आप खुद भी एक मिस्ट्री हैं। सेल्फ अवेयरनेस बहुत मुश्किल से हासिल होती है, क्योंकि उसके अराउंड जो इतना कर्म अटैच्ड है वो उसको कंफ्यूजिंग बना देता है। तो कुछ स्कॉर्पियोज पाएंगे खुद को कि वो उससे कम्प्लीटली डिटैच हो जाएंगे एंड दे विल जस्ट फोकस ऑन द गाइडेंस दे आर रिसीविंग एंड टेक दोज एक्शन स्टेप बाय स्टेप। कुछ स्कॉर्पियोज खुद को ऐसा पाएंगे कि वो उसमें एकदम डीप रिसर्च मोड में चले जाएंगे। इर्रेस्पेक्टिव, आप देखेंगे कि मार्च से आपको एक अजीब सी लाइटनेस फील होगी। जो लोग आपके अराउंड परेशान हो भी रहे होंगे, you will be surprised कि why it is not impacting you those things the way they are impacting others around you. It's like कि आपको कुछ ऐसी deep knowledge रातों रात मिल गई, maybe while you are sleeping or in your dream state, or when you are completely content while talking to someone else. अचानक से you receive a download, ऐसा deep सूत्र रहेगा वो, जिससे you will find the key to your own happiness. And that happiness is unique for everyone. It's like your lineage has been working on this from so long, and finally you are the one who is getting to reap the benefits of this work. This kind of deep content, it only comes after you feel liberated from the things which are holding you back, or maybe burdens. ऐसा दिखता है कि आपके जो lineage है, they have been doing a sadhana which is connected to moon. Especially I see women. And इसमें दिखाई दे रहा है कि 2026 में वो पूरी तरह से complete हो रही है, and it's like all of your ancestors are collecting in the spirit realm to witness this kind of liberation, which like everyone in spirit form will be coming around you. And जो उनकी साधना है वो आपके थ्रू मर्ज होगी, and everybody will reap the benefit of this whole lineage. जैसे कि एक वरदान प्राप्त था पार्वती जी से पूरी lineage को, but it was not known that when it will complete, when it will manifest in a tangible form. तो इस वक्त दिखाई दे रहा है कि वो 2026 में आपके लिए आएगा। आपको अगर एक क्लू चाहिए कि when this starts happening, you will notice everything is going to mirror you. Whatever you are doing, everybody might start doing it in the same flavor. And these are very small things. but you will know when it starts to mirror your energy. You might come in contact with certain crystals which will help you to sustain this form जो आप achieve कर रहे हैं इस साल में liberated form. There will be certain crystals which will help you to ground this energy. एंड ये क्लियर है 2026 में यू विल एक्सपीरियंस सम हाइज एंड सम लोज. जो पीक्स होंगे वो आपको एकदम क्लोज ले जाएंगे सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस सूत्र दैट इज एक्टिवेटिंग इन योर लाइफ. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड what kind of blessing is getting activated. And जो lows होंगे they are manifesting so as to burn the karma, burn the energy which were blocking this manifestation. ये वरदान जो है तो I can see there will be at least 3 peak moments in 2026 for you, and there will be certain lows, I'm not going to lie, but always remember कि your ancestors, your lineage is watching over you, and ये collective बहुत बड़ा इनिशिएशन और प्रोसेस था जो कई सालों से और कई लाइफ टाइम से चला आ रहा था, एंड फाइनली इट्स फुलफिलिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. सो हैंग इन देयर, बट इट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन इन मार्च. एंड बी वेयर, अगर आप ऐसी सिचुएशन में खुद को पाते हैं वेर यू फील द नीड ऑफ पार्टनरशिप, और मे बी यू फील, not just feel, you witness a romantic entanglement, the cards are saying to stay away from it because it's a false premise. जो भी आपको नज़र आ रहा है when it comes to romantic engagements, it is not what it is portraying it to be. So एक strong guidance है कि your energy is sacred and it should not be diluted with people who are not in the same alignment as you are. Especially if you encounter someone younger than you, that is a red flag for you in 2026 if they want something more than a professional relationship. So you are guided to stay away from it. You might get a chance to go on a trip in 2026 which will be to certain heritage sites, and it is recommended for you because it will help you to elevate your energy to keep it grounded at the same time. But yeah, जो आपके lows manifest होंगे 2026 में, it could be due to other people who are trying to tamper with your energetic field. So you have to keep yourself protected, but at the same time remember you cannot control every aspect of your life. There are certain karma that needs to be burnt, so all it requires from you is awareness that these all things in 2026, the relationship which doesn't feel right are temporary, but the lightness within your heart, that is going to manifest, that is permanent, and that is going to sustain, because you have a lot of spirits and people supporting you in that endeavor, because it's bigger than you, it's not just you. The inner compass that is activating for you in 2026, that is a wish that had been asked multiple times from different people of your lineage. But the work which was required to activate that inner compass, that gut instinct within your body, needed a safe environment. It needed a particular way your body could live in this human world. And there were a lot of struggles during the time of your ancestors, so they could not provide that safety within themselves, and even if it was activated, they couldn't make the full use of it. But in your lifetime, all the criteria are met, and so that collective intuition, that collective prayer of your ancestors and your own, it is going to manifest. आपको सही में ऐसा लगेगा कि कुछ चीज़ें तो ऐसी आपकी लाइफ में आनी स्टार्ट होंगी जो आपने इमेजिन भी नहीं की थी कि ये आपके लिए कितनी अच्छी हो सकती हैं. एंड ये सब बहुत ये इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि वो जो आप लाइटनेस फील करने वाले हैं वो एक पर्टिकुलर बैलेंसिंग से हो रहा है आपकी बॉडी में, जैसे कि आपका माइंड और सोल अब फाइनली मर्ज कर रहा है आपकी बॉडी की एनर्जी से, और सब कुछ एक हो रहा है। यिन और यांग का जो बैलेंस है वो बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है। यू माइट रियली सी सडन बेनिफिट्स इन योर लाइफ। अचानक से आपको एक कोई रहने की अच्छी जगह मिल सकती है, आप एक परमानेंट लोकेशन बना सकते हैं वेयर यू विल वर्क फ्रॉम, एंड हो सकता है कुछ लोग तो अपने लिए कुछ कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी देयर लेगेसी। एंड एक और चीज़ मुझे दिखाई दे रही है, जो लोग अपने लिए कुछ कंस्ट्रक्ट करना चाहते हैं 2026 में, दे विल themselves act as the architecture, क्योंकि they are going to revive a very old knowledge, a very old way of building things, which was in the times of, you can say, Egyptians, or which was in the times of our long lost technology. आप उसको रिवाइव करने वाले हैं। अदर पीपल वाइल माइट थिंक कि ये कहाँ से ये टेक्नोलॉजी या ये कहाँ से ये आर्किटेक्चर लेके आ रहे हैं, बट यू पीपल नो डीप डाउन दैट इट वॉज एम्बेडेड इन यू सो दैट यू कैन ब्रिंग इट आउट व्हेन द टाइम वॉज राइट। एंड मे बी जो लोग कंस्ट्रक्शन में जा रहे हैं इस साल, they will do that, and once their whole project is over, everyone will marvel over it, because the architecture, to them it will look like it is otherworldly, but it is not. It is just long lost technology which our forefathers had, and somewhere down the line it was taken away. इन 2026 ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको कुछ चीज़ों को पीछे छोड़ना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दैट पोर्शन ऑफ योर लाइफ, वो जो कर्म था वो कंप्लीट हो रहा है, एंड व्हेन दोज थिंग्स आर लिविंग योर लाइफ, इट माइट लुक लाइक कि आपके साथ धोखा हो रहा है, एंड यू फाइंड योर सेल्फ स्ट्रगलिंग अ lot with it, and you would want to hold it tight so as to not lose what you had created. And you might ignore any new opportunities which will come your way just because you are feeling that loss within yourself, that something left you. But you will have to remember that when something new and good has to come into your life, then those things which have already completed, those karmas which have already completed, they need to leave your life so that you can start the next chapter. In 2026 May, towards the middle, you will see a lot of things leaving your life, and it might look like deception, but it is not. These things are leaving your life because the new chapter which has to begin, that has already picked up a very high pace, and nothing can stop it from happening. So that's why the pace of things leaving from your life which are not aligned anymore, but it will really help some other person out there. So those things are leaving at a fast pace too. तो अगर कुछ जा रहा है आपकी लाइफ से, जस्ट रिमेंबर कि वो अभी अगर आपकी लाइफ से हट रहा है, देन इट्स पॉसिबल कि वो जहाँ भी चीज़ें जिसको भी मिलेंगी, जिसकी भी लाइफ उससे बनने वाली है, दे विल रियली बेनिफिट फ्रॉम इट. सो यू विल हैव टू होल्ड योर फोर्ट हियर एंड ट्रस्ट व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, क्योंकि आपको सही में ऐसा लग सकता है कि आपके साथ धोखा हो रहा है, and you will try to fight it, but the guidance here is कि don't go against the flow. आपकी wheel जो of destiny है वो आपके favor में turn कर रही है, and even if it is boring for you, even if it is something which you think you don't want right now, let it happen, because in future you will never know how it is going to help you. You might also get some downloads as to later on, once these things have left your life, you will get the downloads why certain things happened the way they happened, and it will provide you with some clarity. Because the deception part, I can see, Scorpio, that you can really take it to your heart and harbor certain resentment within yourself, that why these things happen to you. But you will have to remember that it is the path of karma that you agreed to before coming on earth. It could be that certain people you loved a lot, they might go through a huge transformation, and they have to follow their own illumination where you are not part of that illumination. And some people will be deeply troubled from what things are living in your life, and these could be family members, but you have to remember that the transmutation has to happen in 2026 so that you can continue your journey on this planet. Certain things are definitely going to leave your life, and it could be that certain people will transition to the spirit realm, and I believe that you have seen this coming from a long time because they have undergone huge transformations in recent years and they have completed their journey. But they can help you from the spirit realm a lot. The whole 2026, once these things have happened, you will find yourself in a very cold and entitled state, and there will be reminders coming your way reminding you that it is okay to take your time to complete the transition. It is okay to take your time to mourn the things which have gone from your life, but just remember that these things are here for you. It is okay to expect help. It is okay to be entitled once in a while, क्योंकि आपने अपने पास्ट लाइफ्स में बहुत ऐसा गिविंग एनर्जी गिविंग मोड में रहे हैं विच हैज़ क्रिएटेड karma for you. So you need to balance those by expecting certain things and by creating a sense of entitlement within you when it comes to the spiritual things, especially the spiritual things, because your lineage wants you to claim those, and you need to have certain you are sort of your ancestors are telling to behave like a royalty when it comes to certain spiritual matters, because you have worked a lot on them. They have worked a lot on them in past lives, and you deserve to show off a little, or maybe even if you don't want to show off to others, it will look like you are showing off, and it's simply because you have achieved a position, you have achieved a designation on those spiritual matters, and without even trying, it looks like that you are master in it. So just accept it and move forward. Don't try to resist it. Sometimes when you just simply accept things the way they are, some things are coming easily to you. Some areas, to others it might look like you have taken a shortcut, but they don't know that in your previous life you have already worked on it. In some other life you might have already worked on it a lot. So even if others think that you are taking a shortcut or some shortcut was given to you due to some privilege you got, just remember it was your karma, it was your purva punya. The lows which you will be experiencing in 2026, you will notice that it will really try to deter you from your path if you give in to the deceptive energy which you would be experiencing in those lows. Remember, that is there to be burned, because those small energy packets were created or were placed so that you could complete your mission of that liberation which you wanted to experience in this lifetime. ओके, थैंक यू गाइस. आई थिंक आपकी रीडिंग बहुत अच्छी थी, बहुत क्लियर थी. आई होप आपको पसंद आई हो. अगर आपको मेरा कंटेंट पसंद आए तो सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे चैनल को. थैंक यू.